Okay guys, Lucid Motors up 11.7% and it's sitting at $27. So 100% thanks to Tesla. Tesla pushing the whole EV market higher because for the first time in its history, Tesla now is $1 trillion company trading at $1,000.24, and that's a big deal for EV companies. So of course, in any industry, there's going to be leaders, and Lucid, of course, there are a lot of other EV companies, but in United States, this is probably second promising full American-made EV company, I want to say. Of course, there's Ford, GM, right? But they produce other cars, right? But these guys are to me personally, I will just consider them, even though they haven't produced anything yet, they haven't delivered anything yet. But for me, they are the second EV company, USA, and so it's following the leader. So basically, there are a lot of XPeng is up, NIO is up, Li Auto, all the Chinese EV stocks are up as well, like 6, 7, 8, 10%. So Lucid, Tesla is up 13%, Lucid is up 11.5% right now. And we have been watching this name for quite some time, but I want to give you a little bit different. So let's take a look at the volume bars, right? So we can, on this chart, we can quickly say, okay, so 25 was a resistance. Now it's approaching that very, very known $28, $30 range. Basically, that's where the sellers are. That's where people were shorting the stock. So it's getting to that resistance zone. So if you were someone who chased it at these levels, well, you saw how many times it just flushed down every time it hit this level. So you probably are not going to make the same mistake, and you will just let the stock find basically buyers here. Basically get in this zone, break out of 30, and then come back test down 30. That's like, for me, that would be the rational buy, because if it goes up to this level and sells off again, then that's not looking good. So how can you analyze that? So basically, one way of telling if at certain prices there is a demand for a stock is basically looking at the volume bars. So I switched to a weekly chart and I zoomed, and this is basically on this chart you can see weekly candles. Every candle here represents 1 week. And if you look at the volume bars, when stock dipped below $20, look, that was a big panic flushy sell, right? And look at this volume right here. So let me highlight this level here. When stock pushed higher right here, look at the volume, all right? Volume kept increasing, all right? And when it pulled back, look at the volume it dropped with. So that means to me that there were a lot of momentum traders, a lot of day traders, and they don't like to hold for more than a couple days or even a couple hours. So a lot of momentum traders. And now look at this move. Past 3 weeks, so far today, it's only Monday, and we still have 4 more days, all right? I want to see this volume bars increase as well as price goes higher, which will tell that, okay, a lot of people may be thinking that, okay, at these $26, $27 levels, it is still a deal and there are buyers. So that's what I'm looking at. I want to see volume to increase, because if you look at the monthly chart, you will see a different story. Of course, October, we still have like four more trading sessions, 5 more maybe. So every bar here, every candle represents 1 month of price action, all right? Pay attention to this candle right here, which is September price action. Stock traded with 1.1 billion shares. That's why you saw this huge move up. In October so far, we haven't even traded half of that volume throughout the months, which means a lot of people may be on a sidelines, and momentum is at the moment pretty much, look at this price action. On a monthly chart, it's still sideways. So if you want, like, look at this price action. This could be a good example where price goes higher if volume is higher than previous month. So far, we are seeing that momentum has slowed, and you can definitely clearly see it on a volume bar as well. So, and if the stock maybe if we get above $30 levels, if we see volume spike, then as a day trader or as a swing trader, I would basically follow the trend. At the moment, that's your trend. It's still sideways, okay? I know it's up 10%. It's a good day for the bulls, but we need to see the stock get above that $28-$30 range. So if it gets above that, we have a decent level, $30 level on a daily chart. So let me switch back to daily chart. I will show you the moving averages as well. And then above that, we have a huge gap to fill all the way till 57. So if it gets above 35, 36, man, it has a good potential. Until then, let's take a look at the moving averages here. Stock above all of its moving averages. That's good. All right. So far looking good. And let's see if there's going to be follow through. So basically, that's what I'm watching. We're not going to look at the option market. I know there's a lot of bullish activity. MACD. So it wasn't doing much. Okay, momentum was not to the upside, but we have this bullish crossover right here on a MACD. So let's see if this momentum is strong enough to get this above 30. If it gets above 30, very bullish looking. But until then, we're still in the range. And that's all I have for Lucid Motors, LCID stock. If you like this video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next update. Take care. Peace.